These Thai lollipops with mango chili coulis are bright, floral, and the perfect elegant appetizers to entertain this Diwali season. Start by grinding cilantro, ginger, green chili, and lemongrass in mortar and pestle. Saute this paste with some finely chopped veggies, spices, coconut, potato, and paneer. And we will even fold in some chopped nuts for the extra added texture. And to cut through the heaviness, we will make a super tangy and a refreshing mango chili coulis by simmering some mango puree with some spices like chaat masala and sliced chilies. Now it's time to shape our lollipops. We will coat them into slurry and roll it into some breadcrumbs before frying, or you can even air fry it until they are golden brown and crisp. For an elegant look, serve them into some shot glasses and you are ready to entertain in style this festive season. Hope you all like it. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.